Hello guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how to shortcut key to open printer in Google Chrome. So guys, if you want to shortcut key to open printer in Google Chrome, so very easy. Firstly open Google Docs. After register your method. After press Control key plus P key. Control key plus P. Control key plus P. There is. Selected any your printer and select page all custom. Select her color black and white are color, and here more settings. Page size 1/4 and select it anyway, so click this door box and select it. Page sheet 12469 are 16. Margin select, that is scan. After selected options, header and footers are background graphics. Click on print. So guys, this is very simple and easy method if you want to shortcut key to open printer in Google Chrome. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for latest update.